Stress, it's like an invisible weight we all carry. It sneaks into our lives, affecting our energy, sleep, mood, and even our physical health. And while many turn to quick fixes like caffeine or late-night doom scrolling, these habits only fuel the fire of stress. But what if there is a very effective and natural solution? A secret weapon, backed by science that could not only help you manage stress but also improve your sleep, sharpen your mind, and even enhance physical performance. Sounds very good, right? Stay tuned, because today we're revealing the game-changing weapon for stress-free living. Welcome to Levitas. Stress management is a cornerstone of good health, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body and health. This natural solution works at the molecular level to reduce cortisol, your primary stress hormone. Excessive cortisol levels can lead to anxiety, poor sleep, impaired immune system, and even huge weight gain. By balancing cortisol production, this remarkable remedy helps calm your nervous system and restore balance, leaving you feeling more grounded. It also influences neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin, known for promoting relaxation. Imagine being able to tackle life's challenges with a clear head and steady heart. This is the power of this natural weapon at its finest. High-quality sleep is vital for health, yet stress often robs us of rest. This natural weapon has a unique ability to regulate your body's stress response, paving the way for better sleep. By lowering cortisol levels in the evening, when they should naturally decline, it helps your body transition into a restful state. Additionally, it enhances the activity of calming neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which play a role in sleep cycles. The result? Falling asleep becomes easier, and staying asleep feels effortless. Whether you're dealing with occasional insomnia or persistent restlessness, this natural aid can transform your nights into a sanctuary of peace and restoration. Physical performance isn't just about pushing harder, it's about resilience and recovery. This powerhouse nutrient is known to enhance your strength and endurance by lowering stress-related fatigue and supporting healthy energy levels. It works by boosting the production of ATP, the energy currency of your cells, and reducing oxidative stress, which can damage muscles during intense activity. Plus, it supports faster recovery so you can bounce back recharged and stronger. Whether you're an athlete looking for an edge or someone trying to stay active, this natural ally can help you unlock your body's full potential without burning out. Modern life demands mental sharpness, yet chronic stress can cloud your focus and memory. This natural remedy is a cognitive powerhouse, helping to protect your brain against stress-induced damage. It boosts neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and grow, while supporting the production of key neurotransmitters like dopamine. Studies show that it improves memory, focus, and even the speed of information processing. By reducing mental fatigue and enhancing clarity, this solution helps you stay sharp under pressure. Imagine a life where you feel mentally agile, capable of tackling challenges with creativity and confidence. This powerful remedy makes it possible. For men, testosterone is more than just a hormone. It's a key driver of vitality and strength. Chronic stress can lead to a drop in testosterone, sapping energy and muscle mass. This natural weapon works by balancing cortisol, which can suppress testosterone production when levels are too high. It also enhances the function of the hypothalamus-pituitary-gonadal axis, the hormonal pathway that regulates testosterone levels. Studies suggest that regular use can lead to noticeable improvements in energy, muscle growth, and overall performance. For those looking to optimize their health, this powerful nutrient offers a natural and effective way to restore hormonal balance. For men and women, this natural remedy has a lot of benefits for both men and women. So, what is the secret weapon for healthy stress management? The secret remedy we've been hinting at is ashwagandha. It's a time-tested adaptogen celebrated for its profound effects on stress, sleep, physical performance, and more. Used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, ashwagandha is now backed by modern science as a true game-changer for overall health. Okay, you like it, but what's the best way to take it? Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and tinctures. For stress management and overall health, the recommended dose ranges between 300 to 600 milligrams of standardized extract per day, typically taken with meals. Consistency is key, so incorporating it into your daily routine ensures the best results. Always opt for high-quality supplements from trusted brands to maximize the benefits. What are the risks of taking it? While ashwagandha is very safe, Some people may experience mild side effects like upset stomach or drowsiness. To minimize risks, start with a lower dose and gradually increase it. Avoid using it if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have autoimmune conditions without consulting with your doctor. Pairing it with a healthy food plan and regular exercise enhances its effects while maintaining overall safety. In conclusion, stress touches every corner of our lives, from the moment we wake up to the time we lay our heads down at night. Left unchecked, it can disrupt sleep, cloud our thoughts, sap physical energy, and even impact our hormones. The natural remedy we've explored today, ashwagandha, offers a holistic approach to managing these challenges, transforming how we navigate stress and its ripple effects. One of its standout benefits is how it addresses stress at its core by regulating cortisol levels, the hormone that often spirals out of control in stressful situations. This balancing act not only calms the mind but also stabilizes energy and mood, offering a grounded sense of calm even during life's most chaotic moments. But ashwagandha doesn't stop there. By improving sleep quality, it taps into one of the most powerful tools for recovery and resilience. Its ability to lower nighttime cortisol and promote relaxation paves the way for deep, high-quality restorative sleep, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. For those struggling with sleepless nights or restlessness, this is a game changer. When it comes to physical performance, ashwagandha proves to be a valuable ally. It boosts energy production at the cellular level and combats oxidative stress, which can take a toll on your muscles during exercise or daily activities. The result is enhanced strength, endurance, and recovery, making it a perfect fit for athletes and anyone aiming to stay active. Mentally, ashwagandha shines as a cognitive enhancer. It protects the brain from stress-induced damage, improves memory, and sharpens focus. In today's demanding world where mental clarity is essential, this adaptogen provides the clarity and agility needed to tackle challenges with confidence. Ashwagandha's testosterone-boosting effects offer another layer of health benefits. By restoring hormonal balance, it promotes vitality, muscle growth, and overall well-being, not only for men, but also for women. What truly sets ashwagandha apart is its adaptability. Whether you're seeking better stress management, improved sleep, sharper cognitive function, enhanced physical performance, or hormonal support, this time-tested herb is a versatile and effective solution. With proper dosing and mindful use, it's a very safe and natural way to unlock a healthier, more balanced life. This ancient remedy, rooted in Ayurveda and fortified by modern science, proves that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Give it a shot and leave a comment describing your experiences. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.